Well, hello, YouTube. Jenny here from Jenny's Travels and Cruises. And today I want to take you with me to a town in Mexico called Tequila. Tequila is an actual place. In fact, it is the epicenter of the production of genuine tequila. So come along, let's go. Jalisco is known for two things in particular: mariachi music and tequila. So let's drive there. On the way, we passed so many blue agave fields that we should just go ahead and drone up. Let's do that. So now we're going to drone up over an agave field. Agave is necessary to make tequila. In the region surrounding this area, there is an abundance of blue agave fields. The area is in fact called the Ruta de Agave, or translated, the Agave Route. Let's look and see. My favorite distillery, Mujeres. Here we will have a brief tour and then be taught the proper way to enjoy tequila. Total cost, $2.50. Tours are offered in English or Spanish.
Okay guys, I'm gonna pass you a plastic cup so you guys can start the tasting.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay guys, first tequila that the factory offers you is the Blanco, the white one. This is the one that comes straight out of the distillation but lowered down to 38. When we lower it down to 38, we can just put them inside bottles and sell them, or leave them in unsealed containers so the flavor and color of that tequila won't change. Some people think that the white tequila is like the worst of them all because it's much cheaper. That's not true. All of them have the same quality because at the beginning, all of them were white. This one is less expensive because it doesn't go inside of a barrel. We don't lose any percentage of it. That's why it's always going to be much cheaper, okay? I'm gonna serve you guys, don't drink it till I say so. Tres Mujeres only has 2 types of servings. That's with fear or no fear. Fear, no fear.
Okay.
No fear's full.
No fear.
Good.
No fear. Tequila is
Fear.
my friend.
Not fear? You say so, please?
Thank you.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know if you guys already know it, but there's a simple breathing technique so tequila won't burn that much. First, you have to take oxygen through your nose. You hold your breath, drink the tequila. When the tequila touches your stomach, you're gonna exhale slowly through your mouth. Simple as that changes a lot of the flavor of the tequila, okay? It's not gonna burn that much, and you're not gonna get drunk really fast because most of the alcohol we're evaporating through our mouth, okay? When you guys are ready, you guys could drink it using that breathing technique that I taught you.
Inhale through the nose.
Inhale through your nose, drink, and then exhale through your mouth.
Okay.
It's delicious.
And tequila, we never recommend it. You drink it with lime or lemon because it's citrical, plays with your palate, and it doesn't let you perceive the flavor of the tequila. Okay?
I like that.
Ready for the next one?
That's for turistas.
Yes. Okay, guys. Second tequila that the factory offers you is called reposado. A tequila reposado has to be inside of a barrel from 2 months to a year before it reaches 1 year. Here in Tres Mujeres, they leave it for 10 months in French oak. This one's gonna be more softer than the white one. Not because it has less percentage of alcohol, but it's because the wood hides the scent from the tequila. I'm gonna serve you guys, same breathing technique, and when you're ready, you can drink it. Still no fear?
No fear.
Good. Fear, right?
Fear.
Okay, like I was telling you guys, Tequila Tres Mujeres makes tequilas for other factories. Here are 2 of them. One is called Chula Parranda that belonged to one of the owner's sons, and Tequila Lady to the wife of that son. Tequila Lady, since the owner's a woman, she wanted her design one for woman. The other one shaped like a book and like a purse. This one right here, the one with the rosa inside, that's an age crystallized tequila. That's a special edition. On top it has this pink ribbon. That's because it's made in honor of breast cancer. That's because the wife of Tres Mujeres, she had it, she defeated it, and they want to make that bottle in honor of her. His theory is that tequila is going to have a better flavor with the music on. Pablo Lara, the owner of this tequila, instead of using classical music, he first did it with heavy metal music. Since the vibration were much stronger, the tequila was crystallizing and it was turning into a sour flavor. So he decided to take out the rock music and left it again with the classical music. This is going to be an extra añejo of 5 years with the music non-stop. It already has a little bit more than like 4 years, and like in a year, you guys are going to be able to find it in the market. Upstairs we have the Blanco, also exposed to music. We don't have samples, but we do have the bottles just in case somebody wants to buy.
I hope you enjoyed your day in Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico. I enjoyed sharing this with you. Please don't forget to subscribe, to ring the bell, and to check back on my channel for more interesting trips. So bye for now from Jenny's Travels and Cruises.